are pleased to show you the 2019 Ford Flex. Flex isn't just exciting to look at, it's exciting to drive. It hunkers down, puts a limit on lean. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, remote engine start, navigation system, keyless entry, power passenger seat, traction control, stability control, power liftgate, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, aluminum wheels, auto-dimming rear view mirror, cruise control, keyless start, four-wheel disc brakes. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.